Assalamualaikum everybody. I hope you all are fine and having a good time with your family and friends. Today is 1st of February 2021 and I am here with a new experiment. We have done experiment 1 that was related to types of mixture, in which we have learned about solution and suspension. Today the experiment that we are going to do is about a force buoyancy. Buoyancy is a force that let the object sink and float. Whatever we put into the water, whatever we throw into the water, either it sink down or it float on the surface of water. This happens because of the force of gravity. Today we are going to do the experiment to experience that force. So for the experiment, what things you supposed to have with you? You have some oranges and a big mug or jug. I was having this jug available, so I thought to use them. You can have a glass or a big glass or a mug, because we have to throw that orange into the water. So keeping that thing in your mind, you have to take the material. Okay, so what we are going to do, I have this jug filled with the water and this one is empty. First I am going to put the water into both of these. So let me do this and then I'll come back to you. So as I said that I'm going to put water into this one. I guess it's enough. If not, then I can take the water from this bottle if it's available. Yes. Just to let you know that what happened. Okay, fine. I'm going to take 2 oranges. I'm going to put them into the water here on this side and this one on this side. Just take this off. Alright, now I want to show it to you, like what has happened. If you see, both of the oranges are floating into the water. See the space? They are floating because of the force of the buoyancy. Now what does a buoyancy do? It's a force that is present in water and it has its particular weight itself, and that orange also has its weight itself. Okay, now what happens if the weight of the orange is greater than the weight of the water? It will sink. But if the weight of the orange is less than the weight of the water, it will start floating. Same is happening here. The weight of the orange was less, that's why they are floating in the surface of the water. So this is happening because of the force of the buoyancy. Now I want to show you some tricky things. For that you have to take off this orange. See, it is floating. I want to show it to you, like they both are floating. Now I'm going to take one of them out and I peel it off and then I'll throw it into the water and see what happens. So I have just peeled it off and I'm going to put this orange without the skin into the water and see what happens. Oh my god, what has happened? It is sinking. See, the orange with the cover was floating, and as I have taken off the cover, now it is sinking. So what is the reason why this has happened? This has happened because of the density. You know what, if I show you an orange, that's the reason I have kept few of the orange with me so that I can show it to you. So if I show you this orange, it has its skin over it. It is very shiny and very smooth. It do not let the water go inside it, or it do not let the air go inside it. It is very compact. It doesn't let anything go inside this orange unless we take off this the skin of the orange. Now what has happened in the experiment, the orange with the skin, because no air no water can go inside it, so it is just floating because of its weight. What happened to this orange? As I take off the skin, the air start absorbing into the orange, the water get mixed into the orange. If I take it out, see, this orange has water absorbed in it. Because of that water, its weight is heavier now, and that is the reason it is sinking, because this orange has absorbed the water into it. So this is the reason that with a cover, orange is floating, but without the cover, without its skin, it is sinking, because the orange has absorbed the amount of water into it and it's heavier in weight. That is the reason they are sinking. Okay, so this was an experiment. I hope you have learned something about the buoyancy and something about the density. So where does the density work? The density was working in the surface area of this, because it led the object to absorb the water. It is higher in density now. That's the reason it is floating. This is having the less density as compared to the water. That is the reason it is floating and it is sinking. So you can do this experiment at home. Take 2 oranges or a water mug and do that experiment, and make sure that after doing experiment you keep the things back to their place, otherwise your mom will not let you do the experiment at home. So see you in the next experiment. That will be experiment number 3. And do let me know what kind of experiment you want me to do. I'll try to do that experiment at home. Okay.